Hey, welcome to Scribbly Digital. Today we're going to be talking about how to make this very simple reflection look that you see in this image. So how do you create that reflection look that you see in this image? Let me show you. I have multiple layers in this image, but the main one is right here on top, and that reflection is right here. Now I'm going to turn off the reflection and recreate it. In order to do it, I duplicated my main layer. So now I have two. I went to the layer underneath, so the bottom duplicate. I go to my effects menu. I'm going to choose motion blur, and I'm going to choose layer, not pencil. Now if you're on an older version of Procreate, it's not going to give you these options. It will just blur the layer. Now I'm going to drag my finger down and to the side. You can choose either side. And what it's doing is it's blurring that underneath the bottom layer, the duplicate. So it instantly makes that feel of a reflection. Now if I went to the other side, it'll do the same thing, and you can make it as long or as short as you want. Now, as you can see around my image, I now have this extra blur, which I don't want. So I'm going to take the eraser, make it fairly big so it's easier. And I'm just going to go around the image and erase that extra blur on that layer. I'm also going to go right here and straighten out the edge there and clean it up. And there you have a simple reflection. Thanks for liking this video, subscribing, and ringing that bell. And I'll see you next time for another Procreate tip.